Do you know what happened when I added an egg to chopped onion? That simple combo turned into the crispiest and most flavorful pakoras I have ever made. Once you try this recipe, you will want to make it again and again. This recipe is perfect with a cup of tea. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Taste of Cooking and Baking. So let's make the recipe. First take 1 cup of chopped onion and add 1 egg. Add half teaspoon of salt and mix everything very well. Friends, from which country you are watching my recipe, you can tell me in the comment section below. Now add chopped coriander leaves 1 tablespoon, 2 chopped green chilies, 1/4 teaspoon chili flakes, 1/4 teaspoon garam masala powder, 1/4 teaspoon cumin powder. Add 2 tablespoon rice flour and half cup besan. Now mix everything very well. The flour will start absorbing the moisture and turn into a thick batter. You will notice it's still dry. So now it's time to adjust the consistency. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons of water. Now mix very well. Now take some mixture and make shape. Now it's time to fry the pakoras. Now take a frying pan and heat some oil on medium flame. Now carefully place the pakoras. Let them fry for 1 to 2 minutes on one side. Fry until golden brown and crispy. Once the pakoras are evenly golden and crispy, remove them and place them on a paper towel to soak the excess oil. They will smell amazing and look beautifully golden. Serve the pakoras with green chutney, tomato ketchup, or even masala tea. Perfect for rainy days. Friends, there are more easy and delicious recipes on my channel. You can watch them. I hope you will like the recipes. And just like that, our crispy and flavorful egg onion pakoras are ready to serve. Golden brown, crunchy from outside and soft from inside. Friends, if you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.